Hello everyone, my name is Anangsha Alamyan and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use an AI detector and humanizer, and the tool that we are reviewing today is called aidetector.com. I'm very excited to share my learnings with you, but before we get into it, a quick word about why AI detectors are so important. With the prevalence of AI tools in the market right now, plagiarism is slowly turning into AI georism. What this means is people no longer copy and paste content directly. They copy the content, paste it into an LLM like ChatGPT, Claude, etc., and then they ask the LLM to reword it so that it becomes completely new and undetectable by any plagiarism checker. And that's why traditional plagiarism tools do not work anymore, which is why we need AI detectors. Whether you are a writer, a content creator, a student, or a professor at a university, AI detectors are a must have tool for. With that in mind, let's learn how to use aidetector.com, one of the most powerful AI detectors and AI humanizers in the market. The first step is to head over to the link in the description of this video, click on it, and we will get to the homepage of aidetector.com. Once you have logged in, this is the dashboard you will see. I have already generated a text from ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a 300 word landing page copy for a skin brightening cream called Hide Nothing I'm building. Make sure the content sounds human written and can bypass any AI detector in the world. So this is what ChatGPT gave me. I'm going to copy this content and paste it over to aidetector.com. The process is very simple. No, you don't have to learn technology or be tech savvy. All you have to do is paste your text here, click on detect AI. Once you do that, the results that I got was 100% likely AI generated. So this entire content is in red. It means this there is zero human touch in it. Let's try and see if ChatGPT can do better. So the next prompt that I gave to ChatGPT was, this text was flagged as 100% AI by an AI detector tool. Can you make it sound so human and natural that no one can tell it was generated by AI? And this is the result that we got. So I'll copy this, head over to aidetector.com, click on new detection. Then once this box comes up, I'll paste my text here, click on detect AI. Within a few seconds, I got the result, and even now it says that this was 99% likely AI generated, that this text was written by AI. When we go down, almost all the lines come up in red, which gives indication that this was an AI generated text. Now I want to give one of my own articles to aidetector.com and see if my content, which I have written from scratch by myself, if that is also flagged as AI content, because we need to cross check, right, just to make sure. So I'll paste my text here, click on detect AI. When I do that, the result I got was this was 2% likely AI generated, means this text was written by human. So when we scroll down, we see that this was all in green. It means there is 0% AI, 0% chance that this was generated by AI. So there's a good enough indication that aidetector.com is super powerful. So far, we've only tested ChatGPT. Let's try Claude and see how aidetector.com performs against Claude. I'm going to copy the same prompt that I gave to ChatGPT and write that on Claude and press enter, and let's see what Claude generates for me. So I got a cool text that's written by Claude. I will copy this and then I'll head over to my AI detector dashboard, click on new detection, paste that text here and click on detect AI. When I do that, I get this result that this text was 100% likely AI generated. Let's see if Claude can do better. So again, I'll go to ChatGPT and use the same prompt that I used for ChatGPT, that this text was flagged as 100% AI. Can you make it sound so human that no AI detector tool can tell it was generated by AI? So I have got something from Claude. Let's see how it works against aidetector.com. The results are here, and we have gotten the result that this text was 99% likely AI generated. So AIdetector.com has been able to successfully detect text that's generated by ChatGPT and also by Claude. Now there is one more cool LLM that's doing rounds of the market, and that's DeepSeek. So let's try and see if DeepSeek text can bypass AIdetector.com. I am using the same prompt that I gave ChatGPT, and I'm going to click on generate on DeepSeek and see what kind of results it gives me. Once again, we get the result that this text was 100% likely AI generated. So now we have tested AIdetector.com across 3 LLMs: ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepSeek, and all the times we have found out that AI detector is super powerful. No AI tool can fool it. So if you are looking for a powerful AI detector, then this is the tool for you. Make sure you go to the link in the description of this video to check out this cool tool for yourself. It also has a humanize AI text option and a detect AI images option, which is super powerful in their own nature. So let's click on detect AI images, and I will use this to test an image that was actually generated by AI. So this was an image that I used PhotoPax AI to generate, and I have uploaded it on this tool to test how accurately it can detect AI in this image. And the result I got is amazing, that it's 99% AI and 0% human. In contrast, I had also uploaded one picture that was actually my picture, clicked a few weeks back, and this was shown as 1% AI. So we can see that this is a super powerful tool when it comes to text and image detection. And if you are looking for a powerful AI detector tool to add to your kitty, then this tool is the best tool for you. I hope you enjoyed this detailed tutorial. If you have any questions, please do let me know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on future content like this. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep hustling. Cheers!